Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to Marili Cuisine, where we explore the delightful world of culinary creations. Today, I will embark you on a journey with my irresistible orange chicken recipe. It's a breeze to follow, so if you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, don't go anywhere because I'm going to show you exactly what you need and what you need to do. Stay tuned. For this recipe, I'm using dark meat, so I'm using chicken thighs. I have my flour, my cornstarch, salt and pepper, oil, and water. I'll add my cornstarch to my flour. Next, I'm adding my pepper and salt to taste. And I'm just adding some oil. And this is canola oil and a whole egg. So cracking the egg, pouring it. Next, I'm adding some water. And I'm just gonna mix this together. The consistency that I'm looking for is more of the consistency that you would see with pancakes. So mix it as smooth as possible because this will ensure that the batter is really sticking to the chicken thighs. So you just want to mix everything together. Make sure every single thigh is coated. And if you notice, I'm using thigh because the chicken breast does not do well with this. Dark meat is better to do with this recipe. The thing to do is to prepare them for frying. So in a large skillet or deep fryer, heat about 2 inches of oil to about 350 degrees. So that will ensure that when you're ready to add your chicken, they're not going to be sticking or stuck in the pot. You could also use a deep, heavy bottom pot for frying. So make sure you add your chicken bits in there, and you also want to make sure that you continue to turn them. So when you turn them, they're not going to be sticking together. What you don't want to do is to turn them too quickly for the batter to fall apart. So after you add them to your deep fryer, you want to give them a minute or two before you begin to turn them. You should fry them about 4 to 6 minutes until they're golden brown. And when they're golden brown, you could remove them from the pot, put them on paper towel to drain the excess oil, and then you will just continue with frying the remaining chicken pieces. The next step is to make the orange sauce. So I'm combining some orange juice in a saucepan, followed by some brown sugar. I'm just gonna mix these two together. After it simmers, I am adding some soy sauce. Followed by some rice vinegar. Liquid cornstarch, add in some water, and the final thing is to add some paprika. So the next thing I'm doing is to add my orange zest, and this is natural orange. I just like the natural zest, so this will give it that real sweet yet tangy, delicious flavor. So I'm grating my orange. That's some really nice zest there. That smells so good. I'm just bringing this mixture to simmer over medium heat. And then it's time to add my chicken. So there are really two ways to do this part. It's either you can just add your sauce into a large bowl and add all your chicken pieces into it and just like do like a shake, you know, shake them very well. I choose to keep my sauce in my saucepan and add my chicken. So when you're doing this, you want to make sure that your heat is on low, not on medium, it's on low, because this is going to dry out very quickly. But you do want to make sure that you're coating all the bits. So you want to continue to stir them so the sauce is evenly distributed among all pieces. So continue to stir them until they're looking like this. Look at that, guys. That is amazing. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. Thank you so much.